Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On my channel, I do home decoration and lifestyle content. Please feel free to subscribe to my channel to see more. This video is sponsored by Colamy. This is their Colamy Velia ergonomic office chair. They do offer 30-day money-back guarantee, fast and US free shipping, and also 1-year warranty. So right here, I'm just unboxing the chair items. As you can see, I took out the armrest and then the wheels, and I'm just showing you guys everything that is currently in the box. This box is well packaged and was delivered in 2 days. So if you do order, then just know that your package will be here in a few days. Like, this package really arrived fast and on time. So here I'm just taking out the seating of the chair. As I said, everything is well packed and packaged very securely. So I'm just using the knife to remove the plastic and the foam from the chair. So this is the seating of the chair. And this is the backrest. This is a mesh backrest, so at least while sitting down you won't be too hot because it's mesh. Initially I thought I was gonna get the black chair, but I figured early that this looks more gray, so I'm not sure if this is the actual black chair that is on the website that is labeled as black, but it is more looking gray to me, but that's okay. It's still looking beautiful and it still goes with my decor. So right here I'm just taking out the headrest. The headrest can be addition to the chair. It is your choice if you want to add the headrest or just leave the back of the chair like that. But I'll show you guys the steps in the video. So here is the manual. I use this manual because it is pretty easy. It gives you direct instructions step by step. So this will definitely help you along the way. So here I'm just removing the plastic from the chair, and this is the bottom of the chair. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add the wheels. Initially I thought you screw on the wheels, but no, you guys, you'll just put the wheel in the hole of the chair, and then it will just snap on its own. So you want to make sure you hear that snapping noise to make sure that the wheels are secure. So that is what I figured right here, and as you can see, it's now on. So I'm just gonna do the same steps for the rest of them. So right here, these are the tools that the company sent, which is become very handy. They sent a screwdriver, a screw tightener as well. Initially I thought I should use a screwdriver, but then I realized that no, I need to use a screw tightener. So I switched it out very quickly, and here I'm just tightening the screws. So I'm just joining the seating and also the back of the chair together, and as you see, I'm just making sure the screws are very tightly secured so that I won't have any accident while sitting on the chair. So here I'm just adding the armrests. The screws and everything came with the chair, as I said. So I'm just adding the armrest screw, and I'm just making sure that it's attached tightly. Okay, so this is the other side of the armrest. So I'm just showing you exactly how I attach the armrest to the chair. So as you can see, I'm just joining them together and then entering the screws in each hole. You have three holes right there. So I'm just making sure that they're tightly secured. So I'm putting in the screws and then I'm going to use the screw tightener to make sure that the screws are tightly secured. So once again, I'm using the manual, you guys. So as I'm showing you here, I'm just gonna attach the seating of the chair on the wheels. Guys, it wasn't as easy because I'm weak. So it took a minute for me to put the seating on the wheels because good quality the seating was a bit heavy. So it took a minute for me to put the chair um on the wheels, but I got it anyways. This chair is a multifunctional office chair. It has three storage tilt locking, self-adaptive tilting mechanism. It also reclines and lock. It has a depth and height adjustment. This chair has armrest tilt with backrest and adjustable lumbar support. So this chair has a lot of features, you guys, and it's very reasonable for the price. I love the gray, actually, the gray and black, and it looks very modern, and at the same time, it has a lot of features that will be good for office chair. And as you can see, the back is mesh, so that will also give you enough air while you're sitting down. So right here, I'm just adding the neck rest. This is optional. So you can add the neck rest if you like, or you can just leave it like that. I just decided to add the neck rest to show you guys. The link of the chair will be in my description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.